Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix BandLab login problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're having trouble logging into the BandLab app, whether it gets stuck on the loading screen, shows a login failed message, or simply refuses to open, don't worry, we will fix that. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection is one of the biggest reasons BandLab fails to log in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. You can also restart your router or turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off again to refresh your network settings. Once your network is stable, open your App Store and search for BandLab. If you see Update instead of Open, tap on Update and allow the app to install the latest version. Running an outdated app can cause login glitches, failed loops, or freezes because older versions may not be fully compatible with BandLab's current servers. After updating, return to your home screen and check whether BandLab's servers are actually working. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. Search BandLab server status on Google or visit downdetector.com to see if other users are reporting login problems or outages. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until BandLab fixes it. If you've done all that and the issue still continues, the next step is to reinstall the app. Long press the BandLab icon, tap Remove App, choose Delete App, and confirm the deletion. Once it's removed, go back to the App Store and reinstall BandLab from scratch. Reinstallation helps fix corrupted files and clears out bugs that updating alone cannot fix. After reinstalling, open the app and try logging in again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix BandLab login problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.